Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing the infinity loading screen or your VR chat is not loading properly, then this video is for you. If it's look like this on loading screen, it also loading your like any your house or any game platform, then you can follow my steps. So first you have to go to the VRChat help.vrchat.com, where you can find this search box where you have to simply click on the search bar and you can find VRChat keeps crashing or has issues launching properly, or you can type it here in this box and you can find this solving here. So you have to scroll down all the way down. Here is PC troubleshooting steps. So first you have to simply click on this window button here and simply search for the command prompt. So simply right click on it and click on run as administrator. Now simply click on yes, and here you can see I have just opened the command prompt here. Now you have to simply find this code here. Here is a code here, you can see at this. So you can simply click on that and you can actually not this actually. So you can just copy all of this and go to the total right and simply copy that code from here and open the command prompt on your PC and you can paste it. Then simply hit enter. So delete all value under the register key H key current user software slash VRChat. So if you are confirmed, then simply type yes, or if you are not confirmed, that type no. So I prefer to type yes, then enter, and here you can see the operation completed successfully. That means it has just cleared the data or cache file that can actually that can be the cause of or that issue. So from here that you just need to simply if you got any error, then please continue to the manual method section where you can find the manual method here. Like please only perform this section if the automatic method it didn't work. So that command prompt method if not working for you, then this section is intended for advanced user. So this process involves removing files and registry keys from important parts of your computer. So please be careful, follow the instruction precisely. So first let's clear your cache. You can clear your cache by deleting the folder with C drive. Go to C drive and username. Users, then go to your username, then app data, then local low and VRChat. After going to that, app data is a hidden folder and you may have to enable visible or hidden folder in Windows folder option. The easiest method to find this folder is by pasting this into your Windows Explorer address bar. Just like this, you have to paste it like user profile. You have to set the user profile here, then you can paste it here on your file manager. So it could be like this PC, and you can add that all of this like this here, app data, the local, and you can simply add it, and from here you can find the VRChat. Here it is. So from here you can turn on your hidden folder from here. So just like this. And from here next go to the folder. You have to go to the user profile /.cache, then delete the YouTube DL folder in this dictionary. Now let's clear VRChat settings. Player prefs on Windows, open the regedit app and delete H key current user /software /VRChat. That actually we are just deleted with the automatic process, and here is a manual process. Please be careful when editing your registry. This can potentially damage your computer. So finally paste the following address into your Windows Explorer bar. So %temp %/VRChat, then delete VRChat folder in the folder by right click and selecting delete. So that's pretty much all thing. Now you have to verify the game file after the at the final step. Open the properties for VRChat in Steam and choose verify integrity or game file, then under the local file step, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.